Hi, I am Sangeeta. I am working as an open source developer in ChipKits for the past 3 months. Now I am going to say about date formatter in Flex. Date formatter. The date formatter is a class used for formatting the string. It returns the formatted date and time from the input string or a date object. It also includes the international formats and also have multiple formats. If the error occurs in the program, it returns the empty string and also shows the error, that is the string describing the error is saved to the error property, so it shows the error as a tooltip. Now we see the properties. This is a main property, the pass date string. This is a method used in the formatters.database class. It helps to define the localized string information, which helps to convert a date as a formatted string into a date object. Now see the syntax for the date formatter. Within the date formatter tag, we have to specify the property format string is equal to y. We can give y for the year, m for month, d for date, a for am or pm, e for string or a number, h for hour in a day. It specifies 0 to 23, h for hour in a day 1 to 24 hours, k hour in a am or pm, l is hour in a am or pm 1 to 12, n for minutes, s for seconds. Now we see the example for the date formatter. In the Flex Builder, we are creating a XML application. First we have to give the date formatter tag in XML application. We have to specify the ID, format string. Here we are given the first month, day and year. And again we have to specify the date validator, it is for checking that given input is a correct date or not, correct value or not, it's checking the condition. So ID we have to give source, we can give anything. Here we are specified the date of birth, property is text, input format, month, date and year. Within the panel I created a panel and created a form. Within the form I created the form item labeled as enter date and text input as ID, date of birth and form item. Here the output form second text input for output string. You can use the editable equal to false. We can't edit the output in the text input. And we have created the button for validate and format, and we are using the click event for calling the format function. Here before defining the format function, we have to define the declare imports dot events dot validation result event. Validation result event, it specifies the event object passed to the listener for the valid validator event or the invalid validator event. Here we have to declare the validation result event to vResult. Here we are storing the validate inbuilt function to vResult. Here we are checking the condition. This is the validate result event dot valid. It is a constant. It defines the value of the type property of the event object for an event. In checking the condition, if it's true, the formatted date is stored in the output text box. Otherwise the text clears. It clears the text. And also there if we give it as the error property shows the error tooltip. Now we see the result of this program by pressing the F11 to run the program. Here we are specifying the month. Month as 6 slash and date as 15, year as 2009. Validate and format. The formatted date is month 06, date 05, year 2009. Here we can't edit anything. We can't edit in this text box. Here we can edit easily. If we give the string as input and click the validate format, the text, it clears the text input and also shows the error tip. We have to type the date in the format, month, date and year. This is the date formatter example. Thank you.